Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is John and I went to the Fashion Week in Berlin. I went to the Maybelline show and I got some Maybelline goodies, and today I wanted to try these out. So I tested the Snapscara from Maybelline. One is the black one and one the blue one. I tried both of them out, and if you want to see how they work and what they look like, then just keep on watching. So I got these two Snapscaras, and one is in the shade black and one is blue, obviously. And I'm dying to try these out, you guys. So I really want to start with the blue one right here. So I'm starting with this eye. And for the black mascara, I decided to choose this eye right here, and let's put this on as well. So I got the blue mascara on this eye and the black one on this eye, and I think both worked like perfectly. And oh my gosh, the brush feels amazing and it goes on so well. I think you can layer these mascaras as well to achieve like a more like berry kind of vamp look. But for me this works like perfectly. It looks like long but still like natural, and I love both, to be honest. And I decided to not use any eyeshadow today, just so that we can like compare each side like better to each other. So this is the result, and I am pretty impressed by it, you guys. This is new, so go grab it, you girls. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, give this video a huge thumbs up, please. That will make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell as well to get notifications on whenever I post a new video, you guys. And I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!